Your dad has refused to make love to me. Are you two all right?
Yes, we're fine, thank you. We discuss our father's sex life all the time.
Sarcasm. I'm sorry. But it's just that I'm really bothered. Do you think maybe he doesn't find me sexually attractive?
I'm sure he does find you attractive in that way. But have you discussed this with him though?
No, not yet. I thought I should ask you to. Maybe there's something I'm doing wrong.
But we're not with you all the time, so we wouldn't know. I think you should just discuss this with him.
He probably doesn't want to offend you.
Offend me? Yeah. But we are dating.
I think you should just speak with him. I mean, tell him what you want and let him explain himself to you.
I don't think I can. Will you help me out?
Help you do what, Kwa?
Help me ask him what the issue is. Help me tell him that I'm a woman and I want to be touched, to be loved, and to be...
That's enough. We get your point. But we can't help you though. I mean, it would be really embarrassing for us and him if we ask him.
But you girls always have a way with these things now. You have to help me out. You don't have to help me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. We'll see what we can do.
You will?
Yeah.
Really?
But we're not promising anything, but we'll just see what we can do.
Yeah, we'll try.
Thank you.
How do you intend to ask Daddy that kind of thing?
Honestly, I have no idea. Where do I even start from?
Okay. She now even started crying. Poor Chinwe. She's touch-starved. You know, I've always wondered.
Wondered about what?
About if they started doing it now. What? So you two have not thought about it?
Never. Tayo. Hey. You just dirty minded. What is wrong with you?
Honestly.
What is wrong with you?
Oh God, I feel traumatized. Anyway, Daddy called. He said he'll be back tomorrow and he's coming with Damola.
Our cousin Damola?
Yeah, the one and only.
Why? Has she been disowned?
No, silly. Dad says that she misses us and she wants to come and spend the week with us. She's on holiday.
She doesn't miss us at all. She has an agenda. That girl.
Oh, I remember. You hate her. Well, Daddy says we should be nice and that's what we'll be. Yeah. Come on, you guys. We've had worse people over now. We can surely handle an 18-year-old brat now, can't we?
Yes, we can.
Bumi, what'd you say?
Well, we can do this. But if she gets on my nerves, I'll poison her.
Better be joke.
I'm so happy to be here. I've missed you girls a lot.
We're happy to have you. Wow, you're all grown now.
I know, right? I feel like I'm 18 going on 35.
Would you like to stay in Bumi's room or you prefer the guest room?
No, Daddy. Damola, I'm sure she'd want her privacy. I mean, seeing that she's now a grown woman, the guest room would just be perfect for her, right?
Oh no, I don't mind sharing with me at all.
I snore a lot. It's a condition. So the guest room is just perfect for you.
Alright then, the guest room would just be perfect. Thank you, Uncle Sumbo.
You're welcome. I can assure you you're going to have fun. I know the girls would have made plans. Right, girls?
Yes, Daddy.
Thank you guys. I have to go and unpack now. Bumi, would you like to join me?
I'll be with you in a minute.
Alright.
What's going on?
Dad, how could you ask her if she would like to stay in my room?
But I thought you girls were close and would like to share stuff together.
We are not! We're just related by blood, we're not best of friends.
What's it now?
Hormones. That's all there is to it.
Women.
Damola. Damola. Damola!
Hey, what's up?
It's Saturday morning.
Yeah, I know.
Don't you do anything in your house on Saturday mornings?
Actually, I don't.
You don't? Well, we clean the house and the surroundings on Saturday morning. I'm going outside to see the compound.
Good for you.
Good for me. You're supposed to join me.
Really? I thought you've been doing that without me, haven't you?
So, you are here, so you can as well join me.
Well, I couldn't even if I wanted to.
Why not?
I'm asthmatic.
Sorry, like, replay. I didn't get that.
I'm asthmatic. Hello?
Since when?
Since now.
Damola, you're such a liar.
Oh my God. You're such a liar.
Who did you drop this for?
What?
Who did you leave this for?
The maid?
Abego, since you came to this house, have you seen a maid here?
Nope. But I assume she comes during the weekends and will be here soon.
No. There's no maid. We do all the chores ourselves.
Really? That's sad though. I do not know how to wash plates.
Say what?
Yeah, we have a maid. So you see, I do not engage in manual labor.
Manual labor.
Oh yeah, I'm delicate like that. I could faint.
I swear it was an angel that held me back from strangling that girl.
Just take it easy.
She'd have seen her this morning too, only to hit the broom on her, telling me she's asthmatic. Hey, the lying goose.
Wait, so you guys, I'm really surprised from all these reports. I mean, she's been nothing but sweet to me all day.
That's because she's a brat. That's what she is. She is a brat. I doubt she'll last in this house for 1 week.
She can't.
Come on, you girls, take it easy. It's just 5 days more. I mean, that shouldn't be too hard.
She better give herself brain. That's all I'm saying.
Okay, I've been doing well, you guys. I'm thinking of going in tonight to tell Daddy about Chinwe's plight. So who's with me?
This night?
Yeah. As soon as he gets back, I'll just corner him in his room.
And what do you intend to say?
Exactly what his girlfriend said. Okay, first, I'll start with the question. Don't you find Chinwe sexually attractive?
Daddy will almost swallow his tongue.
I swear he will definitely choke on his sweet. Hey, I'm with you on this one. I need to see his reaction.
Me too. It will be something to gist my grandkids.
Yeah?
Tonight.
Hey, what's up? What's wrong?
Dad, we're not sure how to approach this issue without sounding crass.
What issue? Talk to me.
Dad, do you find Chinwe sexually attractive?
What is all this? Where's this question coming from?
From us, Dad, we promise. She just seems sad and starved, you know?
Sad and starved?
Yes, Daddy. We know you. We know how you are. We know how long it took for you to admit that you actually liked Chinwe in the first place.
We know how long it took before you started taking her out and even kissing her.
Please. Why is Bumi even here? And why does he have lines too?
Dad, I'm not a child. Besides, I'm your daughter too. And I have eyes.
Dad, look, all we're saying is you need to make Chinwe feel like a woman.
Yes, Daddy. You need to touch her. You need to press the right buttons. Daddy, you need to make her feel loved and even wanted. Unless you don't find her sexually attractive, then that's okay.
May I just say how awkward this is?
Daddy, we know how you feel. It wasn't easy for us to decide to have this talk with you either. But we won't sit back and watch you lose a good woman, especially one that you love.
Fine. I've heard the girls loud and clear. I'll discuss with Chinwe.
Oh no, Daddy, please don't just discuss with her. Touch her. Press the...
I hear you, Tayo. Thank you.
Sorry.
Except, Daddy, you're waiting till marriage. In which case, you'd have to explain to Chinwe...
Girls, you've made your point. Thank you for this.
No problem.
Okay.
Touch. Good night. Oh my God, it was beautiful. I couldn't have missed that for anything in the world.
He said, why do I have lines? Oh my. That face was so red with embarrassment.
He looked like he was going to run out of the room. But I'm glad we did this though. I mean, it might be funny, but it's actually a big issue.
Yes, it is. I mean, Chinwe seems like the kind of girl who, you know, likes all the PDA, the TLC. Whereas our dear dad ain't got time for that.
Hey girls.
Hi, Deola. How are you?
I'm so bored.
I mean, what do you girls do around here for fun?
Well, we go out. We go to the mall. We go to the cinemas. We go to events or park.
Boring. It's Tuesday night, girls. Don't you go clubbing or something?
No, we don't.
I wasn't talking to you. You're still a kid.
You're just a year older than I am, so...
A year and a half, darling. You can't buy that in the market.
Well, we don't go clubbing, okay? But we're going to see a movie tomorrow. If that's not good enough for you, then I'm sorry. We can't help you.
Boring. Just boring. Kill me, please. I've been sent back to the Stone Age.
Yeah.
I'm done. Like, I'm done. Tomorrow she eats milk in her food.
Why? Is she lactose intolerant?
Hey, Damola, how are you?
Ready to die.
I don't understand.
I'm so bored. Like there's basically nothing for me to do and you won't let me go out on my own.
I'm sorry about that. I promised your mom. But you don't know anywhere in Lagos.
I'm not stupid, Uncle. It's 2015. There's Google Map.
But
There are loads of places to visit. That's one of the reasons I came.
But you told me you missed your cousins.
But I've seen them. They have nothing else to offer. I need to move on.
Okay, you go home tomorrow. I'll book a ticket for you tomorrow and...
No, I'm not. I'm sorry if I sound unappreciative. Okay, can somebody come over to visit me?
Yes, sure. Why not?
Why? Thank you, Uncle. You're the best.
I gotta fly now.
Okay.
See you when I come back.
Bye. Oh, why?
Damola, come help me in the kitchen, please. I need to cook dinner.
I don't cook.
Yeah, I'm sure you don't. But I'll need help with some other things.
You don't get it. I don't enter the kitchen. That's what maids are for.
Okay, we don't have a maid, and I'm sure you've noticed that.
But that ain't my fault. Listen, I am tired of everyone calling me for one manual labor or the other. I came here to have fun. Fun! Not to work to death. Ha!
She has to go. I am done.
I'm surprised. She's actually scared of you.
She has no brain.
Absolutely nothing in that skull of hers. She has to go because I can't guarantee her well-being here anymore. Talk about rude.
No, we need to talk to Daddy. He needs to take her back to where he brought her from.
And the way she flips that her stupid hair. I find strands of hair everywhere.
I'm telling you. Who even allows an 18-year-old make that kind of hair anyway?
Definitely her parents were as dull as she is.
Oh, no. Let's not talk about her parents like that. That's not who we are.
Trisha. I'm sure her parents can't even control her anymore.
Well, it's their fault she's this bad. Remember how her mother used to defend her asinine behavior then? That's it.
Please, how do we send her home?
She's expecting a guest tomorrow. She's pretty excited. She told Daddy and Daddy said she could. She even told me to make sure I clean the house for her.
What? She said that?
But trust me, those were not her exact words. You know I would have killed Daddy and then.
No, we need to talk to Daddy. He needs to do something about his niece.
Daddy won't do anything. Oh. I'm telling you. He won't send her home.
Well, if he doesn't send her home, then we'll just deal with her. But for now, we talk to Daddy first.
Can you imagine?
Yes, I agree with you. She's kind of rude. But she doesn't want to go back home. And I can't just send her away.
Daddy, tell her we're going for some family vacation or something. I don't know, but she can't stay anymore, Dad. We're done.
You girls can't just tolerate other people. What am I going to do with you?
Daddy, no, that's not true. We just cannot suffer fools gladly.
My sister doesn't expect her back till Sunday. Please bear with me. Tolerate her till Sunday. That's all I'm asking for.
Okay. But I can't guarantee her safety.
Please, don't let any harm come to her. Sunday she will be out of your hair, you know.
Right. Bye then.
Hey, girls. Someone's happy today.
But I'm always happy now. Where is he?
He's inside, getting dressed. Should be out any moment from now. You look good.
Thank you, darling. But my makeup is not too loud.
No, it's just perfect. Are you two going on a date?
I don't know yet. It's supposed to be a surprise. But your dad is a hopeless romantic.
I see. Well, I take it that he has done the needful, or he plans to do the needful.
I don't understand.
The touch. Actions to make you feel like a woman.
Stop it, Tayo, you perv. Oh, this is between me and your father. Come on, this is so embarrassing.
Hey, you look great.
Thank you. Are we ready to go?
Yes, I am. Take care, girls. We're off.
Alright, Daddy. Will you be back today?
I'll call to let you know.
Okay, Dad.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, Aunt Chinwe. Bye, Daddy.
Oh, they're going.
Out. Isn't your guest coming anymore?
Oh, yes. I'm so excited. He'll be here in an hour.
Oh, great. Well, I'm going to cook noodles. Do you want some?
I thought you would never ask. I'm famished.
You are famished?
Are you sure you're alright?
Yeah, I'm sure it's nothing serious.
Okay then. So you were saying?
Canada was really cool. Well, I insisted I wanted to go to America.
Why? I would choose Canada over America anytime.
Oh, please. America is every teenager's dream.
Are you alright?
No, I'm not. I think I've been poisoned. I just want to go home.
I don't understand. What do you mean by you've been poisoned?
I've been partying all day. I ran to the toilet almost 100 times while nurse was here. Very embarrassing. He had to leave when he got tired. And advised that I should drink for diarrhea. I hate this place. I already called my mom. I want to go home. I want to go. If you insist. Although it will really hurt us when you leave. Liars! Liars! I know you hate me and I hate you all too. I just want to go!
Spill now.
We don't understand that.
Don't play with me. You all did something to her. She's gone now. You've gotten your wish. But you have to tell me what you did.
We taught her a lesson.
What did you do?
We made her purge.
You poisoned her?
Dad, poison is such a big word.
You were part of this, Shadi.
Well, she was rude to me too.
Do you girls feel good with yourselves?
Not really. But we're happy she's gone.
Me too. But that doesn't change the fact that you guys did something wrong. It was wrong.
We're sorry, Dad.
We're sorry, Dad.
We're sorry, Daddy.
You better be. Pray for forgiveness. Meanwhile, tell me what happened exactly. How did you poison her?
Daddy, it's not poison. See, we found out that she was lactose intolerant. So when she was making that noodles, she was